Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm showing you guys how to get this really pretty, glitzy, glammy, really elegant Valentine's Day look. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Also, don't forget that I am doing a giveaway for a $25 gift card. I think it's going to be like to Bath and Body Works more than likely. So if you guys are interested in that, make sure you get me to 100 subscribers. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also make sure you hit that like button while you're at it, because why not? They're like right next to each other. Alright guys, I'm going to stop talking and we're just going to jump right into this video. Here we go.
Alright guys, jumping in voiceover, we're taking that Primero primer. We applied that to our lids today. This is a new primer. We're going to jump in with that Ace Beauty Scarlet Dusk palette. And we're going to take a majority of these darker shades today. Real quickly about that primer. It is a new primer. It does wear for a long time. It is very sticky and it grabs onto the shadow very well. So we're going to go and take that bottom shade called Sangria in the palette real fast. And we're going to apply it to the crease. And the reason I was mentioning this primer just grabbing onto the eyeshadow today is because you will notice in this look that I had no fallout whatsoever, and that is because this primer just really grabbed that shadow and didn't really let it go anywhere, but allowed me to blend it out flawlessly. Now we're taking a nice fluffy brush and we're going to go in with the next shade. And the next shade is going to be that lighter maroon shade called Bahamas. And we're just going to use that to blend and soften out that edge that we just have right there, so it's not rough or anything like that. Alright, now we're going to go in with another brush, but a little bit smaller. This is a blending crease brush as well. But we're going to take that with an even lighter pink shade. And we're going to take that and we're going to use it to diffuse the edges of the whole entire look, just to make sure they're all soft and blown out, and to make sure we don't have any harsh lines like we did previously. Alright, lastly we're going to go in with a really pretty sparkly pink shade. I believe it's pronounced Maui. I could be wrong, my apologies if I am. But I just used my finger to apply this, and I feel like the primer that I used today made such a big difference in grabbing this shadow and just making it pop. Because like I said, it really just grabbed that shadow on. Now we're going to take those shades Bahamas and Sangria, and we're just going to very lightly blend out the edges of that look so that there's no harsh lines between that glitter and that matte. Lastly, we're taking the Ofra, or not lastly, but close to lastly, we're taking that Ofra highlighter, and we're taking those two pink shades, and we're using it to highlight our brow bone. And let me tell you, when I said this shade was poppin', or these highlighters was poppin', man, they were just killer. So I highly recommend this Ofra palette to you guys. Alright, we're going to use that e.l.f. 16-hour wear setting spray today to lock our look into place. And I do have to say that the 16-hour wear is very much true. I went to bed in this look one night, or an egg makeup look one night, and woke up the next day, and just with a few touch-ups, my look looked flawless still. So it is a perfect dupe for if you're a lover of that Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray for a fraction of the cost. You can check that out in my previous video. Alright, now we're just going to lastly this time, pop these lashes on.
Alright guys, that is all for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video like always. And make sure you stay tuned for next week on next Wednesday for when I upload my next video. I hope you guys are loving these Valentine's Day inspired tutorials as it is the month of February. So yeah guys, I will see you next week. Peace out.